2019 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, passenger airbag, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, cloth seats, privacy glass. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.